I am at 13350 Robeson. This is a 2-family flat, and this is a nice little neighborhood here. Oops. So let me give you a tour. We're about to get all new, I think it's called fascia up there. Right now it's kind of peeling paint. That won't pass a Section 8 inspection. So we've got the outside stuff yet to do. But the inside is ready to go. So let's go in. So from here, you can go upstairs. You can go to that middle floor. You can go to that door, which is the kitchen, or let's just walk in. Here is the living room with a faux fireplace. Faux is a fancy word for fake. And the really spacious dining room. That's what's so nice about these 2-family flats, is they have so much space in the dining room, unlike most of the houses in Detroit. Like people that have 2-bedroom houses, the houses are cramped, but they get to a flat and they end up with a lot more space. And we've got the bathroom here with one of these 2 flusher things, save on water a little bit. And a bedroom. And these are decent sized rooms with a closet. Another decent sized room. Let's see if we can take a peek at the backyard. Yep, there's the backyard. Cleaned out, you know, just a easy to mow yard, which is always a bonus. Now let's go to the upstairs and check that out. Wait till you see this storage room, closet room up here, which I thought was pretty cool. So you come in and there's the 2 entrances, you know, like the kitchen one and then the living room one. So this is the living room, cozy living room. And this is that closet I was talking about, which I think is kind of like, wow, look how big this is in here. See? I think that's probably what you do, is have it for storage. Once again, nice large dining room. You could fit a nice sized table here. And we'll go in to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. We did all new cabinets up here. And a bathroom. Another one of those double flusher things. Nice, I like these kind of faucets because when you wash your face, it makes it so much easier. And a bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. And another nice sized bedroom. So let's go check out the basement. If I can remember how to get there. Okay, let's just go this way. Seems like there's another way. I don't know. What's nice about this basement is that there's 2 different sides. So you don't have to worry about somebody's stuff pushing into your stuff, you know? Less drama. That's what you need in a flat. You don't want drama. So we've got this side. Looks like we have got to move a downspout there. And we have your own washer and dryer here for one side. And then each side has its own hot water heater, so you don't have to be mad at the person on the other floor for using up all the hot water, obviously. And then this side, you know, they all have their own furnaces too, so you're not paying each other's utility bills. But this is nice too because it's got its own washer and dryer hookup here as well. I don't know about what these things are, if they work or they don't work, but there they are. And this house is 13350 Robeson. It's on the west side of Detroit.